Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a discount for your Shopify store. So this is very useful for your business. You can run a marketing campaign with a discount code or give it to on a giveaway or whatever you want. And this will obviously increase your conversion rate. So I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few steps. So there are two things you can do. One thing is the gift cards, which will have a specific balance and customers will be able to spend it. And the other thing you can do is create discounts right here. You can create a discount. These discount codes are automatic discounts that apply at checkout, as you can see here. So I'm just going to create one. And there are different types of discounts you can create. For example, you can discount specific products or a collection of products right here. Just click generate a random code, or you can manually type your discount code, then set the value of this discount code. You can set a percentage or fixed amount. In my case, I'm gonna do a 20% off, and then you can apply this discount code to a specific collection or a specific product. In my case, I only have a product, so I'm gonna add it to this t-shirt. Then you can set minimum purchase requirements, a specific amount of uses. In my case, I'm going to leave everything by default. You can also choose if you want this code to be combined with other discounts. You can set a start and end date. And here you can see basically everything about the code you are creating. And then you just need to save the discount. And now it has been created and you can see it right here. Now the other type of discounts you can create are buy X, get Y, for example. So you can discount products based on the customer order, then a discount of the total order amount, or a free shipping discount. So it's basically the same process. You just need to click it, fill it, the information with whatever you want, and that's it. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.